So my compact flash card went through the washer. Basically, my wife said, "Have you lost something?" And she handed me a compact flash card. And I suppose in some ways lucky enough that it was in its case, but I doubt if that is going to be waterproof anyway. However, this compact flash card, we're going to see if it worked, all right? It's basically an old one anyway, but I shoved it in the back of my pocket. I was shooting some chefs in a kitchen, and I knew it was live service. And basically, I was having to actually kind of move around quite a lot, so I couldn't carry my camera bag or whatever it is. So I literally just had camera and a couple of lenses, and basically had my 50mm on. Besides the point, this card was my spare card, and it was in the back of my trousers. And like always, when you're working in a kitchen or shooting around in a kitchen, you get some splashes and some spills or whatever it is. So kind of put my trousers straight in a wash the next day and everything else, not knowing that I'd left the card in there. Okay, now lucky enough, I hadn't shot on this card, all right? So basically, whatever was on here is it going to be still there? But when she gave it to me, she said, look, it's been through a 48-minute gentle wash. I've got no idea what that means. A 10-minute fast spin, I gather a drying, and then a 60 minutes in the tumble dryer. So I would think that's going to be pretty hot. And I went, oh my God, all right, I've never done this before. I'd usually just chuck this away without doing anything else. So I've left it for 24 hours, just breathing as well. I turned it upside down to make sure that if there was any water in there at all, it was going to kind of come out. But I left it 24 hours for kind of evaporation and so on with it. Chucked it in a camera. I've just taken some photographs of my wife. So let's see if it kind of, now I say when I took some photographs of my wife, I just mean in the kitchen. All right. Just kind of, I'm just testing the card. This is going to be thrown away. All right. No matter what. Let's just plug it in now. And just see, hopefully it's good. Oh, it's just launched itself. Let me bring that across. Okay, so it launches here, and there's the DCM, and there's 7D, and there's files. Okay, so let's just go to extra large files from it to actually see if it's there. These are the photographs that I just took of my wife, and there was some test video that I was doing a while back that was still on the card. So again, they're there. Let's just see if the test video works. It's just opened up on the other screen. In fact, let me just do that. And it's working. So that's a good sign. Here we go. So that works. And if I just right click and I open with photos for a minute, we've got a shot. So the question is, does it work? Yes, it does. Am I keeping it? No, I'm not. It's going in the bin no matter what. Bit of fun.